हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू प्री स्कूल टीचिंग। इस व्लॉग में मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कि मैं अपनी बेटी को फोनिक्स सीखने के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करवा रही हूँ और कैसे करवा रही हूँ। ये पहली बार मैं उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करा रही हूँ और मैं पहली बार जब इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हुए मैंने ये रिकॉर्डिंग की है। ऐसा नहीं कि पहले मैं उसको करा चुकी हूँ। हाँ, उससे पहले ये है कि मैं उसको फ्लैश कार्ड दिखाती रहती हूँ 2 लेटर वर्ड्स के। 3-4 फ्लैश कार्ड्स हैं जो मैंने उसकी जो स्टडी टेबल है वहाँ पे चिपका रखे हैं। तो सिर्फ उसको ऐसे कि थोड़ा सा 2 लेटर एक साथ रखे हैं, उनको ज्वाइन करके बीच बीच में उसको बोलती रहती हूँ। ये एट है, ये एम है, ये एन है। वो उसने ऐसा देखा है, लेकिन साउंड्स को एक साथ कैसे लेके आना है, उनको कैसे कंबाइन करके पढ़ना है, वो उसका पहली बार होगा। और इसको मैं सिर्फ रीडिंग के लिए करवा रही हूँ, लिखना नहीं करवा रही हूँ। उसका लिखने का सिर्फ और सिर्फ लेटर राइटिंग चल रहा है, ए से लेकर जेड तक कैपिटल लेटर्स। अभी मैं स्मॉल लेटर्स भी नहीं सिखा रही हूँ। और इसको सिर्फ रीडिंग इसलिए सिखा रही हूँ कि एक बार जब ये रीड करना सीख जाएगी तो जैसे उसको ABCD लिखने में आसानी हुई है, वैसे ही उसको वर्ड्स लिखने में भी आसानी होगी। तो जब तक उसका लिखने का टाइम आएगा, उसको अच्छे से वर्ड्स का पता होगा और उसको ये पता होगा कि जो लिख रही है वो क्या लिख रही है। उससे लिखने में भी उसको बहुत आसानी होने वाली है। अभी मैं जो उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाऊंगी वो 2 लेटर वर्ड्स हैं, एट, एम और एन। और एट फैमिली के ही 3-4 CVC वर्ड्स होंगे और शायद 2-4 और CVC वर्ड्स। टोटल मिला के 6-7 CVC वर्ड्स मैं उसको कराने वाली हूँ। और बाकी 3 एट फैमिली, एम फैमिली और एन फैमिली का जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन है कि वो उसको ज्वाइन करके 2 साउंड्स को बोलना सीखे। उसके बाद 3 साउंड्स को। इसमें जो मैं फ्लैश कार्ड्स यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो मैंने घर पे ही बनाए हुए हैं, कहीं से खरीदे नहीं हैं और ना ही उनका कोई प्रिंट आउट लिया है। और उसके अलावा क्लोथ्स पिन तो आप सबके घर में मिल ही जाएंगी। और जो ये प्लास्टिक के मैग्नेट वाले जो अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं, ये आप किसी स्टेशनरी शॉप से या फिर ऑनलाइन भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। जो जो चीज़ें ऑनलाइन होती हैं उनका लिंक मैं नीचे डाल दूंगी। और चलिए देखते हैं कि वो कैसा करती है। वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ न्यू थिंग टुडे। You know the sounds, right? What sound is this? A. Keep it down. Okay. This is A. And what sound is this? See, this is A and this is T.
Oh, yes, that is the word A and T.
Yeah. When these 2 sounds will come together and they'll become friend, we'll call
And
them
it
together.
will be A and T.
Yeah, it will become at.
At, yeah.
Yeah, because now they are friends, no? They are together.
So
okay?
they are
They will become at. What it will become?
at.
Okay. If T is gone, T is going to play outside. He went out. Okay. Now, see now.
Yeah.
What is this?
Mm.
A and came together.
Yeah.
And what it will become? They are friends now.
Yeah.
What are they?
Friends.
And when they come together to play and when they become friend, it will become M.
M. Yeah.
M.
M for mouse.
This is A, M. Now, they also went to play. Now, who came? Who's coming?
N.
No, sound.
N.
Mm. Now, A, they became friends. And together we call them N.
N.
We have to tell both the sounds, no?
Yeah.
A, N. Put your finger on the dot. Say A.
A.
What it becomes?
N.
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 Okay. Can we take these letters away?
Yeah.
We will keep only this right now. Okay. We'll keep this here. We'll keep this here. And we'll keep this here. Okay.
How about this?
How many we are having here?
Yeah, 3.
We have 3. Now we are going to read them together. Okay. Raise your finger. We'll keep them here. First we'll do this. Okay, one finger. We are not taking both the hands.
Okay.
A, T,
T.
at. A,
T.
T,
At.
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 Do it.
At. At.
No, No. Listen. At.
Okay. At.
So what is this?
I did it.
At. Now do the same thing for this.
Yeah.
At.
I'll do it.
Okay.
At.
Is this T?
Sorry.
M.
Oh, wait, sorry. M.
Okay. When we are saying the sound, we have to keep the keep the finger on the dot.
Now
Do it again.
It.
Do it again. M.
M.
Very good. Can we try with this?
Oh.
Do the same thing. N.
N.
Again.
N.
Very good.
N.
I'll shuffle them. Okay. Now you show me. Where is at? N. M. At. N. Finger, please. M. At. N. Okay. We'll play a game. I will show you something else also.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Now listen.
I'm excited.
Yeah. You are excited?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Even I'm excited because we are going to do something new today. Okay, now listen. What did we see? A and T. When they came together, when they became friends, we call them at. Now we'll say they are one family. Because now they are friends. Let's make their family now.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So see, we have at here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now we will add k with it. What is this sound? K. K we will add with at. So it will become... See this? Now put your finger on the dot and read it. K. A. T. Cat.
Cat.
You have to say the sound together.
Cat.
See, you remember this
I
is
love
at.
cat.
Yeah, please sit nicely, Prisha.
I love cat.
Okay. Yes, you love cat. See now, at and k.
Yeah.
K, at, cat.
Cat.
Put your finger, please. K, a, t,
At. Say cat.
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 Please do it. Now you read yourself. Let's see if you can read.
K. A. T. Cat.
Where is your finger? You can't read without finger.
Oh, I'll do it. K. A. T. Cat.
Very good. One more time, please. Right finger.
Sorry. K. A. T. Cat.
Okay. Will you try the same thing with this?
Yeah.
Try. What is the sound?
B. A. T. Dog.
B at a dog.
Yeah.
What is this?
D.
B
B.
a t
Bat.
bat.
Okay, bat. B. A. T. Bat.
Let's try with this now.
A. T.
A t. Together we'll call them at mat. What does it become?
A. T. Mat.
Excellent.
A. T. Net.
Make this word. What is this? What is this word? First you read. No, not like this. Please keep it down. Now put your finger on the dot and read it. What is this?
B. B. A. T. Bat.
Bat. Why are you closing your eyes?
I'm just reading.
So you have to open your eyes and read. Okay, bat. Very good. Now make bat. Pick up the alphabets and make bat. Yeah, you can take this because we don't have small letter. B, A.
No. No, this. Try it.
Bat.
That's
Very
it.
good.
Let's put A here and here. It will make bat.
Okay. Now close your eyes. Open your eyes. First read it.
H,
Hmm.
A, T, hat.
Excellent. Let's make hat.
We need her.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Where are we going to put her? Okay. So her is the first sound.
Yeah.
What is the second sound? What is the second sound? Show me. Yeah. What is this sound? A. And what is the third sound? The last sound? Ch. Very good. Okay. Now you know the sounds of these, right? So just now we did the family. What we'll do is I will give you one card and you have to pick only those sounds. Okay?
Yeah.
So what is this? What is the first sound? Huh. K, A, N. Pick up K. Where is K? Okay. Now, get it here, beta. You have to put it here. See, like this. We have to open it and near the K, we'll put K. Okay?
Yeah.
Let it be, let it be. Next, what is the second sound? A. You have to say loudly, beta. And under A, we are going to fix it. Excellent. Now, what is the next sound? You have to say. What is this sound? Mm.
Oh.
That's okay. Do it again.
It didn't sing.
Yes. What word is this?
K, A, N, man.
K, A, N. We didn't say m. We said k. We didn't say m. We said a,
K, A,
n, can.
can.
K, A, n,
Can.
can. Okay. Now we'll keep this here. How about this?
B,
Mm.
A, T,
Hmm. Okay. Every
Bat.
time you need to keep your finger when you are reading the
Okay.
word.
B, A, T, bat.
Okay. Put. That's it.
Put it only little.
Little, that's fine. So let's read it now.
B, A, T, bat.
Very good. And what was this?
K,
While reading, what do? We use our pointer.
yeah.
Where is your pointer? Yeah, your pointer is this. This finger is called pointer. Okay. When we are reading, we have to use the pointer. Point and read. K.
K, A, sorry. K, A, N, can.
Can. Very good.
B, A, T, bat.
Very good. So we'll revise it again tomorrow. Okay. Did you like the game?
Yeah, but how about these?
These we can use later, maybe tomorrow.
No, I want to do it now.
Then use with this.
No.
And use with this. Or maybe you can use with this also. Okay? सो ये था उसका पहला दिन साउंड्स को ब्लेंड करके 2 लेटर वर्ड और 3 लेटर वर्ड्स पढ़ने का एंड आई थिंक पहले दिन के लिए उसने काफ़ी अच्छा किया है और इसको मैं ऐसे कंटिन्यू करती रहूँगी क्योंकि सीवीसी वर्ड्स बहुत सारे हैं, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स उसको सीखने हैं बट स्पीड उसके हिसाब से ही होगी. अगर वो धीरे जा रही है, ज़्यादा वर्ड्स याद नहीं कर पा रही है और पिछले वर्ड भूल जाती है जो हम आगे वाले करते हैं तो उसकी स्पीड मैं थोड़ी स्लो ही रखूँगी और आगे के टाइम में वो कैसा करती है मैं आपके साथ शेयर ज़रूर करूँगी. सो आई होप दिस वीडियो वॉज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.